Let's recap on what you said you wanted from a loan provider. Jill, you wanted to know exactly what your loan will cost you.
Yeah.
Tom, you wanted to borrow over a length of time that was right for you.
Yeah, that's right.
And Kelly, you wanted a loan from a company that understands what you can afford. Well, it's here. What you wanted. MyMate.co.uk.
MyMate, the one you wanted.
Choose an affordable loan with the help of our MyMate calculator. Tell us how much, for how long, and MyMate will tell you exactly what it will cost.
Borrow from 2 months to 1 year. Apply for a loan that you can afford.
Get the financial help you need with a MyMate loan tailored to suit you. Visit mymate.co.uk, choose how much, for how long, and MyMate does the rest.
Who wanted orangutans?
That was me.